you don't have discipline, and at this point, you're starting to think you never will. You've tried routines, you've tried motivation, you've tried starting fresh more times than you can count, and somehow you always end up back here doing nothing. So let's be honest. What do you actually do when you have zero discipline? Here's the part nobody tells you. Discipline isn't something you are missing. It's something you have trained yourself to avoid. Every time you choose the easy option, scrolling, delaying, avoiding discomfort, you reinforce the habit of not acting. So when it's time to focus, your brain resists. Not because you're weak, because you have practiced distraction. And if you don't fix this first, no system, no routine, no advice will work. And that is something interesting. You have to stop trying to feel ready. When you keep waiting to feel ready, that's the mistake. You think disciplined people will feel motivated? The truth is this, they don't. They just start. So here is your first step. Stop waiting for the feeling. You're not going to feel like doing it. So start before you feel ready. Okay, now I know it's easier said than done. And I know what you're thinking. I have tried that, it doesn't last. Well, that's because you're starting too big. You're trying to go from zero to perfect. That never works. But I know an easy way. Now, here's how you actually do that. Use the 5-minute rule. That's step 2. Pick the task you've been avoiding. Set a timer for 5 minutes and start. That's it. No pressure to finish. No pressure to be perfect. Just 5 minutes. Most people fail because they are trying to do too much. Now you're doing the opposite. You're lowering the barrier so much you can't avoid it. And here's what happens next. Once you start, something shifts. After a few minutes, your brain stops resisting. You get into it. That's momentum. And here's one truth. Discipline is not forcing yourself. It's creating momentum. Now you see, discipline doesn't come first. Momentum does. So your job isn't to be disciplined. Your job is to start small enough to keep going. But even with momentum, you can still fail unless you fix this next thing. Now let's talk about what's actually killing your discipline. Because you have to remove the real enemy to make progress. You see, the enemy is not you. It's one person, your environment. And this includes your phone, your notifications, your constant access to distraction. You see, you're trying to focus in a setup designed to destroy focus. So here is step 3. Remove the distraction before you start. Put your phone in another room. Close unnecessary tabs. Make distractions harder than work. Because if it's easy to quit, you will quit. So make it impossible to fail. But here's the thing. Most people set their standards too high. That's why they keep failing. You say to yourself, I will work for 2 hours. But you don't. Then you quit completely. This is the trap. And if you want to go around this trap, do this instead. Set a minimum baseline. Something so small it feels stupid. 5 minutes, one task, one action. That's your win. If you do more, great. If you don't, you still succeeded. Small wins build identity. Identity builds discipline. Alright, now, first, before I proceed, I want you to understand one thing, and this is super important. You will mess up sometimes. That's not the problem. The problem is what you do next. You miss one day and turn it into a week. Now that's a big problem. So follow this rule. Never miss twice. This is step 4. Miss once, that's fine. The next day, make sure you're back. No excuses. Consistency isn't perfection. It's recovery. And this is where everything changes. Now we're going to change the mindset. Do this in step 5. Stop saying, I'm not disciplined. Start saying, I'm someone who starts even when I don't feel like it. Because every time you act, you prove it. And identity follows action. You don't become disciplined first, you act. then become it. Not the other way. Now, if you like the way I break this content stuff step by step, I actually did the same thing in my book, When the Mind Awakens. And if you don't understand why a select few replicate success in their chosen endeavors, while many fail to better their unpleasant conditions, don't worry, you will find the answers in this book. I explain actions like this, but in way more depth. You can grab a copy on Amazon. There's a link in the description below. Alright, let's keep going. So here's exactly what to do after watching this video. Pick one task, remove distractions, set a timer for 5 minutes, start. That's it. Not tomorrow, not later, now. Because the longer you wait, the easier it is to stay stuck. And the moment you act, even a little, you take control back. Now remember this, you don't need more discipline to start. You build discipline by starting. This is my full content discipline playbook. 5 tricks that you can use to get started with any task when motivation fails. And if you can do this, you win. Now, if this video resonated with you, you are exactly who this channel is for. So subscribe and stay with me. And now that you have fixed the issue of discipline, the next problem is going to be focus. Watch this next. Till then, see you. Bye-bye.